Welcome to my Pretty Posh Princess cup bracelet tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make something similar to this. For this project, we're going to be using our super handy 3-piece kit. The kit includes the stretch cord and the clasps. I'm going to be using 15mm beads, linked below, found on our website. The first thing you need to do is tie a knot at the end of your stretch cord. This is going to attach your clasp. Make sure the threaded side is pointing outwards. After you put the clasp on that first knot so that it doesn't wiggle about, go ahead and tie another knot so that it secures and it won't pull off of your cord. Then you'll begin threading your 15mm silicone beads, or whatever type of beads you want on, however you want to design it. Once all beads are in place, you're going to attach the other clasp, again with the threaded side pointing outwards. You do want to do those 2 knots to make sure that it's nice and secure on the stretch cord. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get your knots. It took me a couple of tries too. You can also put a dab of super glue on each knot and let it fully dry, and that'll help keep those knots nice and secure. Then just trim the cord and see how it screws right together. What an adorable little cup charm bracelet. Find this super convenient kit as well as all the beads and supplies that you need to make a cup charm bracelet at myprettyposhprincess.com.